Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to have no name in Among Us. So this method will be working on the day that I've uploaded this video, but potentially in future they could patch this. So if this doesn't work for you, make sure you do subscribe to the channel, because as soon as a new method comes out I will upload it. So if it doesn't work, make sure you keep tuned on this channel and I will eventually upload a video that you'll be able to do. But for this method that should work for you, you're going to have to type in U+318 and a capital D. You'll see this web page right here. Go ahead and click on that link to this website right here. And you're going to want to copy this Unicode character as this little dot here. So double tap on it and then click copy if you're on your phone or similarly on your computer. Then go and remove your current name. Then go ahead and paste that dot there in. Then click done, and then you can go ahead and enter the game. Then you'll see you have no name. It's just that like dot there, and they won't be able to see like your name or anything like that. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Do subscribe if you want to see a new method for this, if this one didn't current work. Do click on screen for more how-to videos on Among Us. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.